So in this episode we're going to talk about some Chinese hibiscus that I'm growing in my garden. So this Chinese hibiscus we are growing 2 and 3 color, and the best one is this pink version, and most of the plant we are growing in regular soil, and the flower is really amazing with their white effect in the flower. It doesn't require a lot of attention to grow, and this plant is going above more than 5 to 6 feet from the ground. So the next version we're going to talk about the white hibiscus one, which is again the variant of Chinese hibiscus. There is a tiny little visitor here. I really like this butterfly. So this hibiscus is different shape from the first one, but the type of the hibiscus are same, which I really love. This white is always like standing for the peace as very true soft white, and I really love that. And then the pink pure hibiscus is also another type from the Chinese hibiscus, and this flower shape also is quite different. And this is the small plant that I have ever had in my garden. So this one is flowering, and this also like growing more than 5 to 6 feet tall from the ground, and is again depend on your media and the soil pot. So the next one is quite interesting, as it looks like double hibiscus, so it's more cozy, and the small flower to big is totally different, and the coziness of this flower, the density is totally high amount than the Chinese hibiscus. So this is more into like big flower rose kind of stuff. And this one is quite interesting for the other color, which is the red. So red one is more fluffy, and I really love this one because in the childhood I used to play with that, and I still can remember we used to plant this red the fluffy flower one in our village garden. So that's remind me quite a lot stuff from my childhood. So yeah, I think we are almost done. If you have any question or queries regarding my hibiscus plant, please comment below.